Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If Dragon Ball GEKISHIN SQUADRA has no sound, or your audio isn't working properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several solutions step by step to fix it. Let's get started. Solution 1. Open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound, then go to Sound. In this window, make sure your speakers or headphones are set as the default device. Just select your device and click Set Default. Solution 2. Right-click your audio device in the Sound window. Select Properties. Open the Levels tab. Make sure the volume isn't set too low or muted. Solution 3. In the same Properties window, go to the Advanced tab. Set the sample rate to 48 kHz or 44.1 kHz. Click Apply, then OK. Solution 4. Open the Spatial Sound tab. Set it to Off. Click Apply, and then OK. Solution 5. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager, then open it. Expand Audio Inputs and Outputs. Right-click your audio device and select Properties, go to the Driver tab, and click Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Solution 6. Still in Device Manager, go back and right-click your audio device again. Select Update Driver. This time choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your audio driver, click Next, and let it install. Restart your PC to apply the changes. Solution 7. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager, then open it. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and wait for it to update. Solution 8. Open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Launch it and go to the Drivers tab. Click on Check for updates. If a new driver is available, download and install it. Once that's done, relaunch Dragon Ball GEKISHIN SQUADRA, and your sound should now work correctly. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix sound issues in Dragon Ball GEKISHIN SQUADRA on PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.